Hey everybody, real quick one here. I just want to show you all this all-in-one system from Dell. This is at my place of work, and it's technically not the same as an all-in-one that you might be familiar with. This is actually more or less a monitor stand that has a provision built into it where we can install a Dell system like this precision tower here. And what's neat about this is it allows for easy deployment by IT departments at schools and universities and companies and things like that, intended for the IT sector. And on the front, when you look at this thing, it's like you're just looking at a monitor. And that's like a 22-inch monitor there. And here we are looking at the rear of our tower. And there's the rear of the monitor. Monitor hooks up like a typical monitor would to a monitor stand. And here's this cover. And I couldn't quite figure out how to get that off of there, so I couldn't really show you what's behind there. But basically, more or less, you have all the connections to the back of the tower, like your power, your Ethernet, all that good stuff is inside there. And you can also secure USB devices in there as well. And the bottom of this chassis allows you to unlock the whole thing. That way you can slide the tower out of place. If you're, let's say, if you're replacing the tower with another similar model. On the back of this thing, we have a power connection as well as an Ethernet connection. I think up inside that hole to the right is USB connections. I'm not 100% certain on that. Actually, I know it's a pass-through for USB cables and stuff to, let's say, peripherals. I understand this may not be the most interesting thing to you guys, but I figured I'd share this. It's, I think, a pretty good design for all-in-ones. It's more or less modular. Let's say if the computer fails, you can replace the computer, and if the monitor fails, you can replace the monitor. I actually would think that all-in-ones, I think they should be built this way, not what we have now for the most part, especially consumer grade. But anyways, that wraps it up for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.